Hello everyone, so today we are going to be making these concertina spinning snakes, which if you hang them up, spin really slowly. They will spin around in the wind. So they're really fun to make and they're really simple. So all you need to make these is a little bit of string or wool, one piece of paper, some pens and some scissors. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our piece of paper and we are going to draw a snake shape on it. So how I've done that is I've drawn a sort of triangle for the face, then that is the tongue there, and then I've just done a spiral all the way around to the tail like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to colour it in and I'm going to cut it out and then I will show you the next bit. Okay, so this is my coloured in snake, just so that you can see it, the lines that I'm going to cut around, because I thought that maybe when it was black and white it was quite hard to see. So I'm going to cut around the snake, just cut it out, and I'll show you how to attach the string so that it hangs. Okay, so once we have cut, out our snake like this, it'll look something like this. So the next thing we're going to do to make it hang is we're going to unravel it so that it sort of goes down like that. Now what we can do is there's a couple of ways we can do this. We can either do it bottom way up, but I prefer to do it from the top. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our pen and we're going to, where the head meets the neck, just there, we are going to just make a wee circle, and if we can push our wee pen through just like that, so that we have a tiny little hole there. That's what we're going to do. Just make it a little bit bigger. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our string, which I will need to go and get, and we're going to thread it through, and then it should hang and spin. So I'm going to go get my thread and then I will show you what to do next. Okay, so I've got my string. I've cut slightly longer than an arm's length, but round about that. That's what the length you want. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, I'm going to thread it through the hole that we made in the top of the neck. Now you don't want the hole to be too big. I might need to make mine slightly bigger because I don't think the thread is going to fit through. You don't want the hole to be too big because you want to be able to tie your string. So, but you want it big enough that you'll fit the string through, obviously. So thread it through like so. Now I think the best way to do it, thread it through, is just tie a knot on the end of the string like that, and you're just going to keep tying a little knot in the same place till it gets quite big so that it won't fit through the hole. So you're going to keep just like that. So that's it there, and that is our spinning snake. Now our snake should, if you give it a wee hold at the end, because that's the problem, spin on its own like a concertina, like that. So you can do whatever pattern you want, so they'll spin round. It's totally up to you how it works. So they're spinning, so you can hang it up in your house wherever you want. You can do lots of different designs. Sometimes it's easier to go right through the end of the tongue. It also spins quite well there, so that's totally up to you. But I hope you had fun making these, and I will see you all soon.